Hi, here is our new Drake 2-piece elongated dual flush 1.28 and 0.8 gallons per flush Dynamax tornado flush toilet with the Cefiontect coating. It has dual flush where if you push the lever one way it does a light flush, and if you pull it towards you it does a heavier flush. Here's what the insides look like. This is the TOTO toilet seat we bought for it. That anti-slam and quiet. There's the tornado flush where the water comes out. And here's what the light flush looks like. That was 0.8 gallons of water. The one thing you'll notice is the toilet doesn't make that big gurgling or whooshing sound at the end anymore. And here it is with the larger flush. That there was 1.28 gallons. Anyways, we thought it was kind of cool. Might help somebody else make a decision on whether to purchase this or not. You can see what the sides look like. It looks pretty clean and modern. And all in all, we're very happy with it.